Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the mouse sensitivity settings in Wildgate. To do it, click on settings, click on menu in top right corner, then go to options. Now go to mouse and keyboard tab and you'll find use advanced mouse sensitivity. You can set it to on or off. You can see that when it's set to on, you have even more settings. You can change the mouse DPI, mouse centimeters per 360, whatever it means. I never really said that in games, so I don't really care about that. Yeah, that's like, you can see basically when it's set to off, you have overall sensitivity, and when it's set to on, you can change the DPI in centimeters per 360. Then you can also change the horizontal sensitivity, vertical sensitivity, ADS horizontal sensitivity, as well as ADS vertical, station horizontal, vertical for station as well, ADS station horizontal, and ADS station vertical. And that will be about it. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.